Hi, this is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan's Wallpaper. The video is one way of doing a wallpaper repair. Come in close, I want to show them what's going on here. We have horizontal lines, okay? They are 5/16 of an inch apart from each other. One line, one line, one line. Okay, so I've taken new wallpaper, put it over the old. Here's the old. I have to match up my horizontal lines, okay? So when you look at this one, it's right over this one, okay? Now, vinyl moves, okay? And so don't assume that your lines are truly over every single point of every single line. It would be unrealistic to assume it. But generally, we can say that our wallpaper is positioned over the horizontal lines over which they have been placed. But are they exact? You would have to be silly to think that they are. And so I need to splice this. Where do you cut it? Well, how many of you would say cut over the line? How many of you would say cut off the lines? Well, if you said cut off the lines, you're correct. And why is that? Because if you want to see a mistake, you can rest assured you will see a mistake if you should cut it on the lines and your line was running off even by a 1/16 of an inch, because you're going to see two lines down there. Your best bet is to cut it as far away from the lines as possible. And in this case, as far away from the lines would land you in the middle. And that's where we're going to cut it, so that if we're off by a 1/16, you're not going to notice the way you would if you were off on a 1/16 on the line, okay? Let's try it. Have courage. If you try this, you got to go full force. Don't be timid. That's when you're going to mess up. You can do this. Gonna heat it up. Okay. Just come in close. Let them see this. All right, I made myself a new blade. I'm horizontal. Press hard, you're cutting through 2 layers. All right. Let's see how we did, folks. Now, from all appearances, we did pretty good, because we have the same amount of, you're looking at your final piece. We did all right. The theory works with regard to the spacing, okay? Now let's piece it together. Oh, I'm so happy with this repair, okay? And I want you to be happy with yours. Don't be afraid of doing this, okay? I'm a pro, and I can mess this up too. And you're not a pro, and you can do this just fine, okay? This is Spencer Colgan. Please click on like, subscribe to my channel, and feel free, as some of you have begun, to actually contact me with questions. Folks, you can't even see it. I'm so excited about this. Show them it. Now reverse your video. The line is not here. That is not your line. That's in the design, okay? You can't see it, and neither can I. I honestly can't tell where I cut it, and I don't want to know where it is, because we're perfectionists. We'll be like pros, fanatical pros like me. You keep going over and over it till you ruin it. And that's what happens when you become like too perfectionist. You get stupid. Okay. Okay, folks, this is Spencer Colgan. Thanks for watching my channel. Subscribe. See you on the next one. Thanks a lot.